Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. We are going to make hotel brochure design, so let's begin. We are on our brochure design page and I already have the color palette which I am going to use in this design. Press R for rectangle and copy paste it and put it in the right side too. Change the color. Go on mockup and choose the shape which suit your design. I am going to use this, and this. Adjust them all. Let's search for hotel room and choose the photo. I am going to use this, and this. Press T for text and write hotel room. Copy paste it and write about us in Hanover and Taki. Let's search for a border. No, I don't like this. Neither this. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, now go on app and search lorem ipsum and choose the number of text and click generate. Align them in the center and copy paste it and put them in their places. Now let's search for a hotel logo. I like this one. Search for a star and place it in a different size. Okay, this is good, but just adjust a little bit. Write luxury hotel and place it. Choose the font. Delete the color palette page and duplicate the first page. Write service and rearrange them all. Take a square mock-up and place it in the center. Also, take a circle mock-up, and I have already taken the picture which I am going to use in the center. Let's take this picture and place it here. Double tap on the picture and you can edit it like I did. Take a rectangle, place it. Search for a rounded corner rectangle. No, this is not I want, neither this. Okay, let's try this one. Decrease the transparency and put the logo there and search for a circle border. And put logo in the circle border. Search for a right angle triangle and copy paste it and place it in the opposite side. Now write contact us and write the information there, like Gmail, websites, address, and phone number. I can't find a perfect font, let's choose this. There we go, our design is ready. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos. And also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.